Hi, this is Satya from Evo Custom Car. This is the 3-door Mahindra Thar. This is the older Thar, which basically has come to us for a audio rewiring. Now, he already had a full-fledged audio system which he went and bought from one dealer. They did the installation, he wasn't happy with the sound. Then he moved on to another dealer, which again tried many different experiments, but they could not sort it out. Basically, he was unhappy with the sound quality and the system had a lot of noise. It was because of bad wiring. Now, those guys made tall claims at a low price as usual, saying we are a pro installer, we will do this, we will do. Here is their result. If you see the wires which are lying here, they are in all kinds of bunches like this. Like this. Now, these bunches we don't need to do if our wire calculation is correct. Here, an RC wire has been used, which is a lot longer than what the car is. Hence, they have to do this wrapping and put it somewhere in the car. Why am I telling all this? This basically causes different kinds of signal noise problems because it's looping too hard, going very close to the power lines. So, knowledge base and input from our side, signal wire should not be along with power wire. It will always have noise. It should be routed separately in the car, which most of the shops don't have patience to do. Hence, they make tall claims, finish the job in 2-3 hours, we will take 2 days. So, professional work takes time. Now, this car we will sort out. It will have excellent sound quality and a good clean wiring. So, if you'd like to get your car reworked on, important things to note is to send us the year, model and the name of the car and also the complete list of equipment which has been installed. So that way we have a clear picture of the architecture in the vehicle and then we can make the right suggestion and the right corrections so that you are happy.